What's up guys, this is Takeover. In this quick tutorial video I just want to show you how you can bind and unbind your Mobile Legend account to Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, just click on the profile. You will get the account on this page. Click on the account here we have, and then we will get these options. As you can see, my account has been bound to Mountain and also Google Play, and this is my Mountain account and Google Play, but now I'm going to be showing you how we can bind it to Facebook. It's very easy. You just have to click on the Facebook account. You will get two options. Click on the second one, then click on OK. It will directly go to the Facebook to log in your Facebook account. Now I'm just going to log in my Facebook here, and then we're going to wait for a few seconds. Once we're done, you can see my account has been bound to Facebook also. As you can see, my friends, it was easy to about how you can bind your Mobile Legends account to Facebook. But one time you decide to unbind it, what you're gonna do? Let me show you. First thing, you just go back here on the menu again, click on the Facebook account. You will get these two options. Second one is about unbinding with your Mountain account, and we don't need it. We just click on the first one. Then once we got in here, we have to dial here the ID number. So what is the ID number? Let me show you. This is the box we have to insert the ID number, and this is the ID number which is in blue. I hide the ID number, and by the way, I dial my ID number and I get these options. So which one we're gonna click? I mean the first one. We have to go to click on OK, then we go to click on agree, and once we're done, you can see my Mobile Legend account has been unbound from Facebook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye.